How to get unbanned from Ticketmaster. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first step you want to try doing is to head over to your application Ticketmaster. Tap on Next at the bottom and then click on Sign in or Create Account. It will land you on this page. Now try signing into your account once again. If not, try creating a different account and then sign into it. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar search for Ticketmaster customer service. And then head over to the very first site, How to Contact Us. It will land you on this page. Now different methods will be visible to you in order to contact them. You can choose any one of it. Let me tap on Email Us. Now once again you have to click on Email Us. It will land you on this page. Here you will need to enter the email address associated with the account that you want to unban. Once done, select the topic and then enter your first name, last name and also subject. In the description, you have to enter that you want to get your account unbanned. Please help me try unban my account as soon as possible. Once done, tap on Submit and within 24 hours, they will analyze your account and if possible, your account will get unbanned and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.